Ever throw a compressor on a track and thought, wow, this sounds better, only to realize it's just louder? Let me show you how to use a stock loudness meter to gain stage your plugins properly and keep your mix honest. Let's hop in. When we're mixing a song, it's important that we're sure that our decisions are making the track better, that we're serving the song. And an interesting thing that happens with our ears is that usually sounds that are louder sound better to our ears. So we don't want to be fooled by simply increasing the volume of the track. So we're going to load up our compressor. And just a side note, just a bonus tip, if you click in this region here, it opens up the EQ. And if you click in this bar over here, it opens up the compressor. So it's just a little bit of a faster workflow. So now that we have our compressor loaded, I'm going to select Studio VCA. I like the way it sounds on drums. I'm going to aim for about a medium attack and a faster release. And my target here is about 3 dBs of gain reduction. So what I'll do is I'll hit play on the drums, it's isolated, and I'm going to adjust the threshold until I reach about 3 dBs. So here we go. About there is good. And now that there's a reduction in the volume of the drums, I need to use this makeup gain here to compensate for that loss in volume. And what you might think is, well, we have 3 dBs of gain reduction, so on the makeup gain, we'll just increase it by 3. But that's not necessarily the case. So to accurately gain stage the compression move that we made, I'm going to load up a loudness meter. I'll go here, go down to metering, go to loudness meter. Good. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name is Ivan. This channel is about helping you create radio-ready mixes from home. And I have something for you. It's a gift to help make your mixing process easier. Head on over to mymixingchecklist.com to grab your free 9-step mixing checklist. It's a guide to help you through the mixing process from beginning to end. Absolutely free. It's my gift to you for hanging out with me today. Now, my aim is to turn the compressor off, get a reading of the loudness, then turn the compressor on and make up the difference in volume. And that's why we're using a loudness meter. And now it's measured in LUFS, as you see, LUFS. It just stands for loudness units relative to full scale. And what's interesting about this unit of measurement is that it's modeled after the human ear and how we perceive certain frequencies and sounds. So it's a unit of measurement that I like to use. So let's turn the compressor off. We'll turn on our loudness meter and we'll get the reading. So here we go. Okay, so about negative 26.5 LUFS. So let's keep that number in mind, minus 26.5. Now I'm going to turn the compressor on and we'll see the reading again. Here we go. Okay, so minus 28.5. So that's a difference of 2 dB. Now we'll go to our makeup gain. We'll increase it by 2 dB. And the loudness meter should reflect that 2 dB change, and we should see it give us a reading of minus 26.5. Let's do that now. Okay, around minus 26.5. Now we've successfully gain staged the compressor. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that it's good practice to gain stage our plugins to make sure that we're level matching correctly and not being fooled by the fact that the track might be louder than it was before. Now, as you improve in your mixing and you gain more experience, you don't have to rely on using a loudness meter every time. Just use your ears and make those adjustments. But if you're new to mixing, if you're a beginner, you should definitely be using this method, and eventually you can train your ear to hear the subtle nuances in volume and tone. And there you have it. Accurately gain staging with Logic's loudness meter to keep your mix honest. Now it's your turn. Go try this in your mixes and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And hey, before you go, don't forget to grab your 9-step mixing checklist at mymixingchecklist.com. It's a total game changer for your mixes and it's completely free. Thanks for hanging out with me and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, you've got this.